Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Remove the rubber shelf by pulling upwards. Use a 7mm socket and remove the 2 screws securing the glove box assembly. Pull to remove the upper panel carefully as to not damage the connected wires. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1251 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the upper panel. Reinstall the screws. After lifting the glove box, push in on the sides to get the 2 securing tabs behind the frame. This will secure the glove box. Reinstall the dampener arm. Reinstall the rubber shelf by aligning the tabs with their catch and then pressing to lock them into place. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.